Hello everyone. Welcome to Anant Coaching Classes. Today we will explore the periodic table, an amazing chemistry tool that helps us understand the world of elements. The periodic table is a smart arrangement of all chemical elements. It is organized by atomic number and helps us easily identify similar elements. Chemistry has over 118 elements. Without a table, it's impossible to remember their properties. The periodic table brings order and patterns into this chaos. Dobereiner group elements in threes. The atomic mass of the middle element was about the average of the other two. This worked but not for all elements. Newlands found that every eighth element had similar properties, just like musical notes, but this worked well only for lighter elements. Mendeleev organized elements by atomic mass, his genius move, leaving gaps for elements that were not discovered yet. Mendeleev's biggest success, he predicted elements like gallium before they were even found. His table also welcomed noble gases easily. Mendeleev's table had some problems. Hydrogen's place was confusing, isotopes couldn't be arranged correctly, and a few heavy elements were in the wrong order. Henry Moseley changed everything. He arranged elements by atomic number, not mass, solving all the old issues. Periods are the rows in the table. As we move left to right, atomic number increases, but metallic character decreases. Groups are the vertical columns. Elements in a group have similar properties and same valence electrons. Atomic size decreases as we move across a period, but it increases as we go down a group. Metals lose electrons as we go across a period. Metals become less reactive. Nonmetals, which gain electrons, become more reactive across a period. Valency means combining capacity. Across a period, valency first increases, then decreases. In a group, valency stays the same. The table also separates metals, nonmetals and metalloids. Metals are shiny and good conductors. Nonmetals are brittle and poor conductors. Metalloids show mixed properties. Key points: the periodic table is based on atomic number. Periods are rows, groups and columns. Trends like atomic size and metallic character help us predict how elements will behave. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Anant Coaching Classes for more easy science lessons.